I want to tell you about the role of English language in the world and in my life. There is no doubt that English is the most important language in the world. In many countries there are people who study or speak English. Also, everybody knows that English is the language of big business. English is the most popular language to learn as a foreign language. And I can prove it. Do you know that there are probably 1 billion people learning English as their second language? At the moment, you can meet English everywhere, in the internet, on road signs, at airports, in operation manuals. Many popular books were written by English authors. I like read English authors' books in original language. Also, knowledge of English is welcome to enroll in many universities. It is particularly necessary for foreign universities. As for me, English language is very important because I have relatives abroad. They are Swedish and live in Stockholm. We sometimes visit them and I can speak a lot in English with my uncle. I like it very much. In the end, I want to say that English is very important and in my opinion it is very useful and I am happy to study it.